Introducing the Easy Slide-In Frame, the sleek aluminum frame that makes updating your posters easier than ever. This sleek aluminum frame makes poster updates a breeze. No need to remove the frame from the wall. Just slide out the old and slide in the new. You can choose to load your posters from the short side or the long side, based on your needs. With a maximum size of 25 inches by 37 inches and the ability to hold graphics up to a 1/4 inch thick, the Easy Slide-In Frame is perfect for updating weekly ads, company announcements, schedules, and more. The Easy Slide-In Frame, simple, sleek, and the perfect solution for quick, hassle-free updates. Order yours today at easyflipframes.com.